Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Instagram ID with phone number. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up Instagram app right over here. And let's go to our profile page by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, let's click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on settings, and let's click on follow and invite friends. So from here, you should be able to see the option that says follow contacts. So click on that. And what we're going to do is to allow Instagram to access our contacts so that will be uploaded to their server and hopefully suggest accounts to us that are in our contact list. So click on continue right here. And it should say contacts connected like that. And then we can then go to our profile page again and click on this little person icon. Click on see all, and under the discover people, you should be able to see suggested accounts that might be on your contact list. Now, if you don't see the person that you're looking for on that list, the case might be that they have not linked their phone number to their Instagram account. That's why you can't see them on the suggested accounts by Instagram that are on your contact list. That is how you can basically find Instagram ID with phone number. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.